In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on TikTok ads. If you're managing campaigns or planning your first promotion, keeping your billing details accurate ensures your ads run smoothly without interruptions. I'll walk you through the process clearly and share a few helpful tips along the way so you can update your payment settings with confidence. First, open your TikTok ads account. Make sure you're logged into the correct business account that actually owns the ad campaigns you want to fund. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the account name in the top area so you don't accidentally update the wrong one. It's also a good idea to do this from a desktop browser for the clearest view of all options and ensure you have the proper permissions to manage billing. If you're not the account owner or admin, you might not see billing controls. Once you're in the account, look for the finance section. This is the central place TikTok provides for all things related to billing, spend, and invoices. Clicking Finance will bring up your financial overview, including your current balance, payment history, and any outstanding amounts. If your interface language or region is different, the label may vary slightly, but the finance area is typically easy to spot in the main navigation. Next, select Payment Management. This is where TikTok groups your payment methods and billing settings. Inside Payment Management, you'll see the methods currently linked to your account and any status indicators, such as the default method or whether a method needs verification. This page is specifically designed for adding, switching, or removing how you pay for your ads. Here is where you can change or select your payment method. Choose the option you prefer, then input your account details carefully. Depending on your region, you may see options like credit or debit card, a third-party provider, or bank-based methods. Enter the required fields exactly as they appear with your bank, including the billing address if requested. Take a moment to confirm your currency and country settings, because those can affect which payment options are available. If TikTok asks for verification or a small authorization, that's normal and helps confirm the method is valid. When you finish, save your changes and wait for the confirmation message that your new method is active. Before you exit, scan the page to ensure the correct method is set as the default, especially if you're running active campaigns. Keeping this information current helps avoid declined charges and paused ads. That's it. Your payment method is now updated and ready to go.